Hey everyone, I'm Erica. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Vitamix 2-speed Immersion Blender. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile kitchen tool that makes blending a breeze, stick around. This one's a game changer. Let's break it down and see if it's the right fit for you. First up, let's talk features. The Vitamix 2-speed Immersion Blender is a compact handheld blender with a 350-watt motor. That's plenty of power for smoothies, soups, sauces, and even emulsifying dressings. It has 2 speed settings, which give you control over texture, whether you want a quick mix or a silky smooth blend. The blender comes with a whisk attachment, perfect for whipping cream, making meringues, or mixing batters. Its 5-foot cord gives you flexibility to move around the kitchen, and the protective bell guard helps prevent scratches on your pots and pans. Plus, it's designed to blend in any container with a 3-inch or wider opening, like a mason jar or a deep pot. At $100, it's an affordable way to get Vitamix quality without breaking the bank. Now, let's get into the pros. This blender is powerful for its size and handles fibrous ingredients like kale and broccoli better than many competitors, making it great for smoothies and creamy soups. It's quiet, which is a huge plus if you're blending early in the morning. The whisk attachment adds versatility, so you can ditch your hand mixer for tasks like whipping egg whites. It's easy to clean. Most parts are dishwasher safe, and the detachable blending arm makes storage a breeze. Customers love how it saves counter space compared to a full-size blender and still delivers Vitamix performance. On the con side, it's not perfect. The blender doesn't come with a blending jar or mini chopper, though you can buy those separately. Some users find it a bit heavy to hold for long periods, especially if you have smaller hands. Also, with only 2 speeds, it's less customizable than the 5-speed Vitamix model, so if you need more control, you might want to consider the upgrade. Lastly, it's not ideal for tough tasks like nut butter, but that's true for most immersion blenders. So who's this for? If you want a compact, powerful blender for everyday tasks like soups, smoothies, or sauces, this is a fantastic choice. The whisk attachment makes it a 2-in-1 tool, and the price is reasonable for Vitamix quality. It's perfect for small kitchens or anyone who wants to blend without dragging out a big machine. If you need more speed options or plan to make nut butter, you might look at the 5-speed model instead. But for most home cooks, this 2-speed blender gets the job done and then some. Ready to check it out? Click the link in the description to grab the Vitamix 2-speed Immersion Blender at the best price through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional pricing lined up, so don't miss out. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Rick's Review Hub for more honest reviews on kitchen gear and more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.